Hello, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my brand new video. Today I am gonna tell you about how you will submit your prepared manuscript in Emerald publication. In my previous video, I told you about how you will prepare your manuscript for publishing in Emerald journals. So today I will discuss about how you will submit your prepared manuscript. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to search your desired journal from Emerald publication. I had published my article in Asian Journal of Economics and Banking, so I have searched it. There you can see this is the journal. So first of all, you can see here on thing that submit your paper. You need to click on it. After that, if you had created your account previously, then you just need to log in. Otherwise, you need to go to create an account. You have to fill up these forms. Decide which form written or EQ. You have to fill them up. You may fill or may not fill up. So first of all, here prefix, you need to select here Dr., Miss or Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. I will select here Miss. Then you have to write here your first name. My first name is Farhana. And then you have to select your last name. My last name is Afroz. Then if you have middle name, you can select here. Then you have to write here your primary email address. Then again you have to write here your same email address here. Then you have to click on next. Then here you can see that you need to fill up your primary address or the secondary address. You may not fill the secondary address. You need to fill these required you have to fill these required forms. So first of all, you have to write here your institution name. From where you have completed your study or you are studying. After that, you have to select here your department. If you are in economics department or in BVA department or marketing department. Then you have to write here your address, not your home address, but your institutional address. So my institutional address is so here you have to select your country name. Then you have to select your city name. Then you have to select your institutional postal code. After that, you have to click on next. As I had already an account given the email address, so I have given here another email address to show you how you can create your account. So here you have to give your password. Then you have to again give the same password here. Then you have to select your areas of expertise. You have to select at least 2 areas of expertise. Here I am giving finance and international economics. So after that, you have to tick mark here and you have to click on finish. Then your account will be created. After that, you have to go to login, and then you have to log in here with the user ID. Here you have to write your email address, and then you have to write here your given password. Then you have to click on login. After that, you can see that there has been given author. You have to click on author. and you have to click start new submission to submit your manuscript. So which manuscript I had submitted, this has been accepted by this journal. So I will give the link in the description box of my accepted manuscript, both the PDF and the published address, so you can go and check there my published article. So first of all, you have to go to begin submission. Then you have to choose your research type, like if it is research paper or case study or book review. So mine was research paper, so I'll select that on, and you have to go to save and continue. Then you have to write here your research title. So this was my research title. I will copy and paste it here. After that, you have to write here your reviewer locator abstract. You have to write here your abstract, what you had written in your main body. In my previous video, I had told you about how to prepare your manuscripts. I will give the link of that video in the description box. Also, it will be pop up on your right, so you can go and check the video of how you will prepare your manuscript for publishing in Emerald. Here you have to write here your abstract. You just need to copy your abstract till originality, and then you have to paste here. Please remember that your abstract should be inside 250 word. It should not be exceeded that 250 word. Then again you have to select your category of research, which is paper. Then you have to write here your design methodology or approach. Here you have to copy this design part and then paste it. Then you have to write here your purpose. You just need to copy from here and then paste it. Then you have to write here your findings. You just need to copy from your manuscript and just paste it here. Practical implications, again you just need to copy and paste here. Then social implication, you may write or may not write, as it is not given the star mark. You have to fill the forms given the star mark, others you can skip. So you have to write here your originality. So again I need to copy and paste here, then save and continue. So now you have to submit your file here. First of all, you have to select your file from here. You have to go to your file location. So first of all, you have to select your main body. Then you can choose the designation here. It's basically the anonymous article file. The main body, you need to select the designation as anonymous article file. Then you have to select here your title page, and here you have to select author's biographies. Then you have to again select the table file, and you have to select here table, and you have to click the upload selected file. So you will see that your file had been uploaded here. If you had uploaded the wrong file, then you can remove from here. Just click remove, and again yes, remove file. So it will be removed, and again you can select your desired file here. Click upload selected file. So you can reorder this with changing the order, like you want to keep it in on or 3. So it will be reordered, and you have to click update order. It will revise your order. After that, you have to click save and continue. That you have to select here your keywords from your research manuscript. So there was basically 4 keywords in my research paper, so I'll select one by one. So you have to paste here and add. Again you have to paste another one and add. Like that you have to paste here all your keywords. Instruction has been given that minimum keyword will be 2 and maximum keyword will be 6. So after that you have to click save and continue. I was the only author of my article, so there is only one selected author. If you have more than one author, you can add from here. First of all, you can search your author with his or her email address, or if it doesn't found, then you can create a new co-author from here. So if you click on that, you have to fill the form, email address of your co-author, then prefix, then first name, last name and country. You have to select the required form and click on add created author. So another author name will be created here. So after that, if it is a co-authored paper, you have to select the first one. If you are the only author, then you have to select the second one and then click on save and continue. If you have any preferred reviewer name that you want to suggest, you can add from here the reviewer option. You can give in the reviewer description, or you may, if you don't want to give this on, you can skip and click on save and continue. You have to fill this on, that is there any funding to report for the submission. If you had got any funding for your research, you have to click yes, and if you haven't got any funding, then you have to click no. So after that, you have to write here your number of figures in your manuscript and the number of tables from your manuscript. So there was basically one figure in my manuscript and there was 4 tables in my manuscript. So after that, you have to count the number of your manuscript and then write here. So number of words you can see from here, from the main body part, that there has been given 7454. You have to write here that one. So has this manuscript been submitted previously? So if you had submitted this manuscript in this article and it had been rejected, then you have to select yes and you have to give your previous manuscript ID. So if you hadn't submitted this same article previously, then you have to click on no. So you have to confirm this form. After that, you have to click on yes. And does this paper contain a case study or research conducted within an identified organization? Give no here. So please select the issue you are submitting to. So if it is a regular issue, you can select regular issue, or if it is social choice and behavioral economics, you can select for this one. As my one is regular issue, I'll select regular issue. Then you have to click on save and continue. After that, you can see that all of your filled up forms will be shown here. So if you had mistaken any of these, you can edit from here. File upload, you can see all of this has been submitted. So you can see your proof. Here you can see your PDF proof that will be automatically created by this journal. So the proof has been created, and you can see that this journal has prepared a PDF file of your manuscript. So you can see, and you can download this from this download button. After that, you have to click on submit. So this will submit the manuscript. Are you sure? You have to click yes. Then your manuscript will be submitted. So this is all about how you will upload your prepared manuscript in the Journal of Emerald Publishing. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.